All right, I'm Alan Nichols. I'm the Business Development Manager over here at MAXHUB and MTR Expert, here to kind of show you our new line of XBars. So here we actually have our Express Install Kit. So the Express Install Kit is going to be our 1 hour deployment. So we have an X-Core kit mounted to the back of this. We have our XBar U50 on this one. So if I join, you're going to see the camera shutter open. This is going to be replacing some of our older video bars. So we upgraded the technology, we upgraded the resolution. We have two 50 megapixel cameras in here. We have 12 beamforming microphones across the front and a pair of 15 watt speakers. So we are good for up to an 8-meter room with these USB bars. Now, these bars work in tandem with some of our Teams rooms on Windows, which would be our X-Core Kit and our X-Core Kit Pro. So depending on the type of install that you need, our X-Core Kit is going to be single display, small to medium room, up to it's a USB-C connected console. If you have a medium to medium large or even a large conference room, our X-Core Kit Pro is the way to go. Larger touch panel, we have multi-display out on it. We can still use our XBar U50 on it. We can use our new PTZ cameras. We can use any of our third-party devices with our partners. We can do Extron controls. We can do all kinds of external controls on these because the Windows platform gives us the flexibility to do that. Now, kind of coming back to the XBar, I'll give you a little bit of a demo here while we're coming through. Now, if we want to go into our room controls, we can go into our main, go into the camera, and I'm going to turn it in smart gathering mode. So this is the AI that we built into our cameras. This is going to be across our entire line of cameras for our new generation. So as we can see the whole space here, which has a 125-degree field of view, and it'll take up to 6 people on our X bars and 6 people on our other bars that I'm going to show you here in a minute. Or if we move over here to our new W70, which is a Windows bar, we can do up to 8 on here. So this one is going to be our new flagship model. We've upgraded from 12 to 16 microphones, and we have a pair of 20 watt speakers in this, and we upgraded to 4 50 megapixel cameras. So we have 200 megapixels of resolution on this. It runs the same hardware as our X-Core Kit Pro, so it's a 12th generation Core i5 by Intel. Runs Windows 11 in the background. We have it in certification right now. We expect to start shipping in the next couple of months. Now, this bar is going to be very special. We've redesigned the entire console for it. We've redesigned the interface. So now we're going to be able to integrate a full BYOD room into your Teams room as well. And by that, I mean we'll have a single USB-C cable coming off of this that's going to have 65 watts of charging. It's going to bring your camera, your microphone, your speakers, and it's going to bring the display over here and bring everything else to your laptop. So if you have somebody, like a customer that comes in, they don't want to use Teams, they want to use their Google Meet, they want to use any other third-party platform, or they just want to plug in and share what's on their screen, we'll be able to share everything with this, not just the screen. And it'll be able to charge their laptop because you never know if they actually charge it on the go or not. So moving away from the Windows bar, now we have our new V50 bar. So the V50 is our Android bar. It's going to be the same hardware specs as the U50, but this is going to be an all-in-one Teams room. Now we have multiple ways that we can pair the client. So we can do it over IP, we can do it over USB. This will also control 2 screens, just like our W70 bar will. So if you have multi-displays, we absolutely have you covered. If you want to just have a lower cost Android system, we have you covered. And the great part about this is we didn't just go with Android, we're using Microsoft's new MDEP platform, which is our Microsoft Device Ecosystem platform. The advantages to MDEP are going to be your updates are now going to be provided by Microsoft. Your life cycle is going to be updated by Microsoft. We're going to have longer lifespans on these. All your drivers, everything for these is going to be through Microsoft certification. And what that really means for you and for anybody who's going to be integrating these is ease of use, longer lifetimes, more secure, and it's just going to be a better platform. So as Microsoft rolls out features, you're not going to depend on your manufacturer to bring those features in. They're just going to remotely update over the air, and then you're going to get them. The other big part is for your IT staff, because it's going to be MDEP, MDEP is now going to be integrated into the Microsoft Pro portal. So if you have Windows bars, you have Android bars, or your MDEP bars, or if you have one of our X-Core kits or X-Core Kit Pros, any of our IFPs that run Microsoft Teams rooms on Windows will all be manageable in the Pro portal all with each other. We wanted to be able to bring a really open ecosystem that is going to be manageable by both our MAXHUB Pivot, and we're going to be able to manage it through the Pro Portal. Thank you so much.